USDJPY today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about dollar against yen. So before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe, like and share. Do love that. All these buttons are free and for you. Below the video you have a link which says swing like a pro. Click on that link, come to this page right here where you can check out these recent trades and setups. Play them. These are all videos. You can go and watch them. Feast your eyes so that you know whom are you dealing with. Okay, so we have too many videos. If you want to enter and exit with me, join this program, subscribe, like, and if you want to talk to me, you can book consultation right here and join my free Telegram. So go and get into my Telegram for free. And coming back to the chart, starting the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly, we are above the EMA, I think. Yes, certainly we are. Weekly, we are above the EMA. Daily, we are above the EMA. 4 hour, we are above the EMA or in the uptrend. Maybe in the uptrend. Okay, so we just have to wait and watch. Okay. So daily is above the EMA, correct. Weekly is above the EMA, correct. Two time frames, two higher time frames are above the EMA. Trend is up. Look for longs after each pullback in 4 hour. When to enter, when to exit. Why would I tell you? Nobody will. Okay. I had been telling in the beginning, maybe 6 months ago until 8 months ago, maybe last year, maybe I was giving you exact entry where to enter, where to exit. But people are, idiots out there. People act over smart. They think, nobody will know they're making money from my videos and they have to give nothing back. So screw yourself. That's what you get in return. When you fuck around, that's what you get. So if you can't subscribe, like, and if you can't actually do anything, then what makes you think anybody owe you anything? Okay, so look for longs in 4 hour. That's what I would say, but I will not tell you when exactly to enter or when exactly to get out from the trade. Okay, so as per the definition, daily, weekly, everything is up. Look for longs in USDJPY. However, analysis is one thing, but precise entry and exit is a different thing. Why do you get free analysis on YouTube? Because it's just analysis. Nobody gives precise entries in their analysis. Do you get? So if you want to enter and exit with me precisely, then join this program, help yourself, swing like a pro, subscribe like a share till then, take care.